Alright, my dudes, so you guys seen the heart of the engine. If you guys, like I said in the other video when I got it, they did an engine swap. So this is the exact same engine, it just has less miles, 87,000 the guy told me. Proof wasn't there, but you can tell that they did something because all these wires are not professionally done. And then we have like wires coming out everywhere that I have no idea where they lead and where they're going and stuff. So that's a big bummer. I would love to see a BMW engine like mine, a 330i, so I can more or less see what I'm missing or what's under the hood and where goes what to what. But that's not the biggest problem that I found. Let me show you guys the biggest problem that I found. You guys know from the video, I detail it, I cleaned it my way, and it's still kind of like dirty, but I mean it's way better than it was before. So this isn't the problem. I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to wrap these up with electrical tape because right now they have power going through them constantly because that's connected. You guys follow the wires. Let me show you guys. It's connected to the battery that's back here in the trunk, which I don't really like it that the battery's back here in the trunk, but it is what it is. This is the problem. All these shenanigans wires, so they're always getting cost and power. But if you guys pay attention, you guys can see, let's see what can I use. I can use this. You guys can see, if you put it inside, you see that? That's water, my dudes. You see it's all wet? That's water. This battery is floating on water right now. That's no good at all. I have water in the car, so I was trying to figure out where is it coming from. So I touched the sides, all dry, and the best conclusion is from this little hole. The water is coming from this little hole and it's going all the way down, and it's just like sitting water. So this battery is floating in water, which is no good at all. So I gotta figure out that. So the problem list of this BMW just got a little bit more serious, a little bit more bigger than I assumed from that battery just floating in water. And of course you guys know that I'm missing parts as well, but this is my main concern. That's one on the list. And then also that I have, you guys know that the e-brake doesn't go up. That's just sitting down right there. That's another one on the list. And then that's like another thing on the list, my dudes, is these headlights. These lights, I'm guessing they're the halo ones, and they don't work at all. Like, they're crap. Like, I can't see nothing, like anything. So I'm gonna try to fix that today, hopefully. And then the last problem is this fan, when I was telling you about, that you just have to get the wire manually. That's why that one's naked. And here's the charge, and you guys see me put it on before. Just turn it on. I don't want to do it because the battery's in water right now, but I still don't know why do they have to. This was coming from here, so I don't know why they spliced it and cut it, and then they add this, and then this wire just left it naked. Like, this is supposed to be connected brown with brown, but for some reason they didn't do that. So I don't know the meaning of that. So I don't know. This is where the battery used to go, I assumed, but before they moved it to the back. So, alright my dudes, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to try to get that water out of there somehow. But let me just wrap up these wires really quick. So I'm not going to wrap them up together, because that's no good. That's not how you're supposed to do it. I'm just going to wrap them one by one with some electrical tape. Safety first, man. And that's what we're going to do with this car. I'm trying to make it safety and reliable. Okay, now that's taken care of. This one's alright. This one has like a little protector. These are just plug-ins, which is fine. And I'm guessing these are the ground. Yeah, probably. So I'll just make them look nice and pretty. Brush them up a bit, you know. Same thing with this one. And then I know they're just together the same wire. I could just tape them together, but like I said, I'm just gonna do it one by one because I don't know where they lead to. Yep, just tape it up so we have all these. I want to put these wires together so it won't be like all over the place, because I doubt it I'm gonna get like a system soon. So I would just do like a quick tie here and just make it look kind of pretty, kind of decent. Quick tie. Now they're all together, so just leave that right there. So we got that all covered up. That's fine. I thought the best option to suck all the water out is the shop vac, a vacuum that can suck all the water up, get the water out of here. Probably not 100% all the water out of here, but it'll make it not like drowning in water, because that is a lot of water. You guys can saw from my stick, so it goes all the way down. So I'm touching, that's how far it is in water. Yeah, let's do that. All right, shop vac time. Another thing. What the hell, Bobby? Don't know what this is. There's the water. I got most of the water. You guys can see it's kind of clear now. Then from there, I think I'm gonna take out the battery and see what's in there. I'm not sure, but water is gone. So you guys can see how much water there was inside. Yeah, that's a lot of water that was inside that spot. No good. So I got two options here. I was thinking I can drill a hole in the bottom, 4 holes, so when it leaks, the water would just come out from the bottom. I could do that. I'm thinking that's the best option for right now. Or I'll probably do that later, or I'm not sure. So moving along with that, we're gonna check the lights. Lights are on. So if you guys come at the lights, is these lights, but these lights do not shine at all. Like they're bad. Like they're bad. Yeah, and that's a hole right there. Okay, yeah, so these lights are like bad. So I don't know if it's the light bulb itself that needs to be upgraded, because they look clean, so I can't say that the lens is clean. Or I don't know, so I'm gonna look at that right now. I want to look at the type of light bulb they're using, because this light bulb's no good. So this is the bolt. I just took it off with the clip, just a clip, put it in. So the bolt is good, nothing wrong with it. But let me show you guys how bright, and look how bright it is. I mean, it is bright, so I don't think it's the light bulb itself. I'm thinking it's this unit, this whole headlight unit. Cause look how it is over here. And this is like really bad, like there's no light. I really don't know. I don't know if I gotta get the whole new headlight, even like a stock one, instead of having these like kind of custom. I think these are custom, I'm not sure. But that is bright. So that was the other option, was those lights. I was concerned because I can't drive at night at all. And then I'm missing this down panel, if you guys notice. And then this e-brake, it works but doesn't want to stay locked up. That's another one. But yeah, we're just waiting for it to cool down because that light bulb is hot. So it looks like I can't do much for today. Oh man, because I already don't know about those light bulbs. And I went to AutoZone, and then the guy told me that, oh, what do you want? I told him I want some like good ones. And he was like, it's gonna be like 71 bucks, 80 bucks. But I'm not gonna waste that much money and then come back and then have the same problem that I can't, doesn't shine. So I don't know. So I know it's gonna be kind of hard to tell my dudes because I'm facing the garage, but reality, that's not even that bright. I don't know, you guys think that, come on Lou, not even, you're just overreacting. But no, I know it's gonna be hard to get a good image of that. But this is like, just because I'm hitting the light, but it's not even that bright. I mean, it's not bright at all. You guys have to agree with me. Like, I just want to show you guys in the night that I'm not messing around. Like, you can't really see anything But oh well. So basically that's it, my dudes. This is just a little update of the BMW of work we have to do. But slowly but surely we're gonna get there, my dudes. So just bear with me. So if you like what I do, subscribe down below, Louis Vlogs. Follow me on Instagram at Louis Vlogs. Like my favorite page at Louis Vlogs. And see you guys in the next one. If you guys want to see this build go up or get this car workable, I don't really think of it as a build because I'm not gonna be installing too much stuff into it, like I said, because of money issues. But still, it's nice to have this car rentable instead of taking my truck Linda everywhere. I'm eating a lot of gas. So oh well, see you guys in the next one. So peace out.